Before this video starts, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Here in the first few frames, you see me prepping my ingredients for the recipe. And then we're going to go ahead and jump right in. All of my ingredients here will be listed down in the description box for you. Here I am simply coating the bottom of my baking dish with olive oil and placing my codfish. I'm seasoning both sides with salt and pepper. I'm using freshly cracked black pepper and kosher salt. Italian parsley here. I have some panko breadcrumbs and crumbled Ritz crackers. Adding my chopped parsley in. Chopped garlic. Lemon zest. I'm using 1 teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And I'm simply going to mix this all together. Here you see me lightly coating the top of my fish. And here I'm adding my Parmesan cheese to my breadcrumb coating, mixing it in, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish topping off my fish. I used all of my coating because I want this dish to have a really crunchy top to it. And to achieve that crunchiness, you want to go ahead and soak it. Soak your breadcrumbs in olive oil. I used a total of 3 tablespoons here. Baked it at 350 degrees for 20 minutes, and this is what we have. I must say this dish came out excellent. It tastes delicious. It has a nice crunch texture to it, along with the flakiness that you want your fish to have. And it hit the spot. I served it alongside some homemade coleslaw that I did and some mashed potatoes. Something simple but yet tasty. Look at that, flaky. I'm telling you, this was really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope you try the recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. I'll see you guys next time. Everyone take care.